Wait, what? Drake drops a Spanish song and it's a hit. Drake is evidently on a mission to own everything. The guy has been in beefs, dropped diss tracks, gave the world a solid album and has now released a whole Spanish song. The internet was never ready when Drake pulled a Beyoncé on Thursday night to his legions of surprised fans. And let's not forget that just hours before it was announced that Drake is the most streamed artist in Spotify history. The catchy tune that has the internet in a tiz is by Bad Bunny and is called Mia. The track, which stays true to Drake's style, is a love song, and on it he tells his girl he'll never let her go because she's his. Of course, we had to get some help with translating the lyrics because Drake didn't give anyone time to brush up on their Spanish. However, whether the man was understood or not, the Twitter streets went crazy for the song. Here's some of the reaction. View image on Twitter.
Yeah.